Welcome to shootmoment YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove and replace a video background using CapCut PC. First, drag the video clip from which you want to remove the background into the timeline. Before making any changes, we need to adjust a project setting here. Click somewhere in the interface to deselect the project. Now click the Modify button in this detail section. You will see the project settings window. At the bottom, you will find the Arrange Layer option. Toggle on the Arrange Layer option to gain more control over layer arrangement tasks. I have already toggled on the option here. Save the settings. Now select the video and go to the Remove Background tab under the Video tab. You have two options, auto removal and custom removal. In an earlier video, I discussed using the custom removal option in detail. Watch my CapCut PC Amazing Visual Effects tutorial to learn more about the custom removal option. This time, click on Auto Removal to remove the background of the video. Now, the background of our video has been successfully removed using CapCut PC. Let's play the video to see the result. Now we will drag this video to the B-roll track. Then drag the background image that we want to use as the video's background to the A-roll track. Drag the image to match the length of the video. You can adjust the size of the image by dragging it. All right, now we have successfully removed the background of the video and replaced it with another one. If you learned something from this tutorial, please consider subscribing to my channel and clicking the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new tutorial. Don't forget to check out my complete CapCut playlist on my channel. I will see you in the next tutorial. Until then, goodbye and take care.